Hey there guys, and welcome back to our channel where we show you how to use AI effectively. In today's exciting tutorial, we're going to unveil the magic behind crafting stunning anime dance videos using the incredible power of AI. No complex tech jargon, just a straightforward and engaging journey to turn your imagination into reality. To embark on this adventure, the first step is setting up your very own playground, an unboring AI account. It's like having a special key that opens the door to a world of animated possibilities. And guess what? Just for joining, you'll receive 5 shiny tokens that act as your golden ticket to creativity. Imagine you're holding a canvas ready to paint your masterpiece. Well, your canvas here is a video, a dancing video to be precise. Capture those twirls, hops, and grooves on camera, and then, with a simple click, upload it onto the unboring AI platform. Think of it as placing raw materials on the table, ready to be transformed. The next step is trimming. Trimming is like sculpting. You cut away the excess to reveal the true beauty within. Once your video is up, you have the power to reshape it. Use the trimming tool to snip and tuck, ensuring every moment aligns perfectly with your vision. It's like arranging the notes in a melody, creating a dance symphony that's uniquely yours. Now, imagine having a magical wardrobe filled with costumes. Well, in the AI world, you get to dress your video in various styles. For our anime dance extravaganza, choose the anime attire. It's like choosing the perfect outfit for a grand ball. But this time, you're dressing your video for a dazzling performance. Next up, we have tokens. Picture tokens as coins in your creative treasure chest. Crafting a 15-second masterpiece requires 30 tokens. Consider it the entrance fee to the AI arena. And just like planting a seed and watching it grow, your video will take around 29 minutes to transform, fueled by the processing magic of AI. Now that you've set the stage, dressed your video, and paid your tokens, it's time for the enchantment to begin. With a click of the Restyle button, the AI sorcery commences. It's like watching a wizard conjure spells, transforming your video into a mesmerizing dance of pixels. As the AI weaves its magic, anticipation builds, and then, ta-da! The moment you've been waiting for arrives. Your screen displays a beautifully animated anime dance video. Like a director unveiling their latest cinematic masterpiece, you're now ready to download and share your creation with the world. Now that you hold your anime dance masterpiece, it's time to let it shine. Share it on social media platforms, send it to friends and family, and bask in the admiration of your creation. Just like a performer taking the stage, your AI animated video will captivate hearts and leave a lasting impression. Now that you're aware of the basic steps for creating a dancing anime using AI, here are some additional tips and tricks to take your AI animated anime dance videos to the next level. Experiment with music choices. Try pairing different music genres with your anime dance videos. The rhythm and mood of the music can greatly influence the final result, creating unique and captivating animations. Incorporate storytelling elements. Infuse narrative elements into your videos. Create characters with distinct personalities and develop short stories that unfold through their dance movements, adding an extra layer of engagement for your viewers. Dynamic camera movements. Utilize dynamic camera angles and movements to add cinematic flair to your animations. Play with zooms, pans, and rotations to enhance the visual impact of your dance sequences. Custom character designs. Combine AI-generated animations with your hand-drawn or digitally designed characters. This hybrid approach adds a unique touch to your videos, showcasing both the power of AI and your artistic prowess. A/B testing. Generate multiple versions of the same animation with slight variations using AI. Compare these versions to determine which elements resonate most with your audience, helping you refine your creative choices. Iterative learning. Continuously create and experiment with different styles. The more you use the AI tool, the more it adapts to your preferences, resulting in increasingly personalized and impressive animations. And there you have it, a comprehensive journey through the realm of AI-powered anime dance videos. With just a few simple steps, you've gone from an idea to a captivating piece of art. So why wait? Dive in, unleash your creativity, and let AI dance alongside your imagination. Your anime dance dreams are now just a click away. With that, this video has come to an end. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more informational content. Until then, goodbye.